Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassie if this is your first time here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the perfect daytime summer look. Before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I am doing a part 2 to this video showing you how to achieve a sexy nighttime summer look, and I don't want you to miss out on that. So take a second, hit the button, show your girl some love, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So yeah, I'm gonna start by priming my face using the Cover FX blurring primer. It's really creamy, it feels really weird. And I'm just gonna put it everywhere because I need my whole face blurred, okay? I am not trying to have any of this peek through. I feel like I have too much crap going on my face to actually tell if it did anything. But maybe here it did a little bit where like my pores are. I mean, obviously it's not gonna like make all this mess go away, but I am going to color correct and I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Get these dark circles because I have been awake since 5 a.m. and it is like 11:30 p.m. Boop, boop, boop. The scar that won't go away. Yep, bye. Like making my whole face red, but that's okay. It's okay. Just color correct the whole face. So I'm gonna use my Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation, and I'm in the shade 334 Warm Sun. I haven't used this foundation in a really long time, but I just have to say, like, can I get a pump, please? Because, like, I feel like you just use or waste, hello? You just, like, waste so much product, like, pouring it out on your hand. Or maybe that's just me. I don't know. I'm heavy-handed. I have no idea. But let me know if you have the same issues.
Hold on to this storm, 'cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head going wilder.
Alright, now that I'm done with foundation, I'm going to use the ColourPop concealer, and this is in the shade 36. And I don't know about y'all, but I live in Florida, if you don't know. That was my dog getting into his crate, sorry. So yeah, I don't know about you guys. What the heck? I have like an eyebrow hair right in the middle of my forehead. Go away. But yeah, we already are pretty much in summer. We totally skipped spring. We were like, yeah, let's do spring for like 2 weeks and then just, you know, full on go into summer. Which is kind of annoying because I really like spring. It's nice. And Florida summers is just plain hot and it's disgusting. And so, I mean, I love Florida, don't get me wrong. And I really like, I used to say that I could see myself living somewhere else. But now that I'm like here, I mean, I like Florida. It's just how I felt.
And it's killing me, killing me. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go.
I like legit almost forgot that I put concealer on my forehead. I was just like, okay, and then I'm like, oh, hello. And then because it is summer and we're trying to look extra glowy, if you use a concealer that's like a shade or two brighter than the highlighting shade that you use for your concealer and just put it in, you know, under your eyes, it really makes your eyes pop. And I'm going to use that, so I'm using the shade 32. I'm only going to put that like right here. I'm not going to like fan it out like I did my highlighting shade because I just want to highlight and make my eyes a little bit brighter. Doing this step really helps to further conceal the bags underneath your eyes, and like I said, I've been awake since 5 a.m. so the bags are here. They are making their presence well known today, so for the sake of this video, let's get rid of them, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to move on to contour, And I am subscribed to BoxyCharm, which is a monthly makeup subscription box. And in this month's box, we got the Pure Sculptor palette. It comes with 2 contour shades and then 2 highlight shades, and I'm going to try to use the contour shades. I swatched them yesterday because I did get my box yesterday, and I was thinking like, oh, I should do an unboxing video, and then I was like, you know what, I'm a little bit too excited. I can't wait for things, so I just went ahead and opened it. Sorry, but maybe next month I'll do like an unboxing and that'll be fun. But I did swatch both the contour shades, and they were so creamy. It was insane. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Inventor, which out of the 2, that one seems more gray to me. Let me swatch it for you just so I can show you. So this shade is Inventor and this one is Founder. And Founder is the darker shade of the 2, but I feel like Inventor is more gray than Founder. So I don't know, but I do have my Sephora bronzer that I can use to warm it up if it is a little bit too gray. I'm gonna use this Real Techniques brush and ooh, okay, hella fallout. So I'm done with my contour, and I like to do my contour before I do my blush because I feel like if I'm a little bit heavy-handed with the contour, I can even it out with my blush and then my highlight, so it all kind of melts together. Because I feel like on this side, I was a little bit like, oh, you know, just a little bit tad too much on the brush, you know. They're definitely pigmented. I just would like to see a more warm contour shade. I'm not into the gray, you know, undertone. No, that ain't cute for me. All right, and for blush, I'm going to use the Milani Baked Blush, and this is in the shade Rose d'Oro. I feel like these are really nice because if you're somebody who's not really into highlighter, these work really well as like a 2-in-1 blush and a highlight because they do have shimmer in them and they're really nice. They do add like a little bit of a glow to your skin. So I'm just kind of going on top of the contour but blending down into it so that there's no harsh line and there's no like contour, my skin tone, and then my blush. You want it to all kind of like flow. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and set the concealer under my eye, and I'm going to use the Stellar, what is this? It's like the Stellar setting powder, and this is in the shade Glow number 2. I'm going to try to use one of the highlight shades from the Pure palette. They feel really nice too. So this top one, let's see, is Originator, which is really pretty. It's more of like a champagne silvery shade. And then the next one is Trailblazer. So I'm just using a highlighter brush and I'm going to lightly dip into that. And then let's go and see how this looks. I mean, it's fine. It's not like overly like bam, you know, in your face, but it'll get the job done and it'll definitely give you more of like a natural glow, and it does seem to be buildable because this is my second layer and we're getting somewhere. Looks really nice. They smell really good. I was like, what does that smell? And I was like, I think it's my highlighter. I don't know. They don't smell as good in the pan as they do like when you're actually applying it to your face, but that was really weird. I was like, I just got this like smell of like icing or something that came across, and I was like, that smells good. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a different brush. This is just an eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use the same shade that I used to contour my cheeks, and I'm just going to dip into it and contour, or not contour, highlight. What the heck? I told y'all I've been up since 5 a.m. Please, you know what? I'm just gonna use my finger. It's really hard for me to highlight my nose because the bridge of my nose is flat. So I feel like I get highlight here and highlight here. I actually really don't like highlighting my nose. Fun fact. All right, so now before I move on, because I'm pretty much done with my face, I'm just going to spray on some of the Pixie Glow Mist just to set it and add a little bit more glow. I didn't even spray it at my face. Did you see that? Tell me all. It just smells like lemons and like summer, like lemonade. So now that we are done with the face, I'm going to move on to the eyes. So I'm actually going to use the Perception palette, which is with Makeup Shayla and ColourPop, and I really like this. I did a video using this palette, actually using the whole collection, so if you did not see that, I will link that in the card, so make sure you go check it out. I am going to take the shade Revenge, which is this really pretty orange color down here on the bottom, and I'm just going to blend that into my crease. And then I'm going to take a very little bit of the shade Played Out, which is your classic matte brown shade that every palette needs, and like very little bit, because this is very pigmented, so you don't want to get too much because you can get carried away with it, and you just want to keep this look really natural. And I'm just going to deepen the outside of the crease, and I'm just patting it. I'm not blending it in like a, you know, the windshield wiper motion as I did with the orange. I'm just kind of tapping it, and then I'll go back and blend out with Revenge again, just to get rid of that mess that's over there. Actually, I think I'm going to use Revenge and Thick. Thick is this bright orange right here. Yes, I think I'm gonna use that, and then kind of blend it out. And I don't know if I want to use the shade Diva or TF. I'm going to keep it really gold and use TF, which is this really pretty gold shimmer shade here at the top. Alright, and now I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes using the shade Unbothered, which is this iridescent like white. So now for mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot in the shade Baddest Black. I just want to let you guys in on a little secret. I love makeup. I absolutely love it, okay? But there are a couple things that I cannot do. One is apply lashes. Actually, I could apply them. I just feel like they don't look good on me. But the other thing that I definitely cannot do is a wing liner. I don't know why. I try so hard. I try so freaking hard. But you know what? In the BoxyCharm box this month, what did it come with? It came with, let me show you, a pretty vulgar gel liner, and this is so cute. It's like real old school, like, you know, with the feather pen type stuff, like signing the Declaration of Independence. Yeah, that. And I really want to do it. So I feel like one of these days I'm just gonna like sit myself down and be like, okay, we're doing this, you and me and the brush. We're gonna figure this shit out. All right, so now since I forgot my brow bone, I'm going to use the shade Unbothered, using the the same brush I use, and just kind of highlight. Ooh.
I like that brow bone.
I feel really bad, you guys. Like, my eyes are so red because I'm tired. And I don't know how many times in this video I have said that I'm tired, but I'm really excited to film. Like, so I went to the store because I really needed this blush, okay? And I'm on my way back and I'm like, you can't get tired. Like, you have things you have to do. You have things that you wanted to get done today. So I just turned on some really loud music and got myself pumped. But I feel like my body is like
please go lay down.
But my mind is
Like, no, get this done. You're ready. You're excited. Just do it.
and my body's like,
Like, please.
but my mind is like.
No. Record. You lazy bitch.
So I feel like if you want to be a little bit extra, you can highlight above the arch of your brow, but I don't typically do that because I just don't want to make my forehead look any bigger. I don't think I have a big forehead, but I just don't want to draw attention to my forehead. I feel like I want my attention, I want your attention to be here, like my cheeks and my eyes. That's where I want people's attention to be drawn to. So I don't want to highlight on my forehead, but I know a lot of people do it and it looks really good. It's just not for me. But if you want to, then you can definitely get some extra glow by highlighting right above the arch of your eyebrow. Yeah, I think we are set. We just need to move on to lips and then we're done. All right, so now for the lips, I'm going to use this liquid lip. I don't know if this is a lip gloss. Oh yeah, all natural lip gloss. And this is by the brand Han Skincare Cosmetics. I've never heard of them before, but I'm kind of interested, and I swatched it and it's really pretty. And this is in the shade Nude Rose. And it says it's all natural. It has antioxidants and vitamins, healthy and natural.
If you call me please, call me please. I folded every thought like a razor, carving deep memories. Oh, am I standing at the wrong intersection?
Yeah, that feels really good. It went on really nice. It is definitely a lip gloss because I can still see my lip color and my natural like lip line through it, but it's really nice. It's comfortable. It's not sticky and it smells good. It smells like vanilla, but I just want to be a little bit extra today, so I'm going to use the Shayla and ColourPop lip gloss, and this is in the shade Neat Freak. So final step is to set the face, and I'm just going to use the same pixie spray as I did earlier, and yeah, then we'll be all done. I love that stuff. I absolutely love it. And I really want to try the other pixie sprays. So if you have used a pixie spray before that's not the glow one, let me know what you use. Let me know if you liked it, if it's worth purchasing, because they are $15, so they're a little bit more expensive for a drugstore setting spray. So yeah, let me know. All right, we're done. This is the look and I'm so happy with it. I'm obsessed with the amount of glow, because to me, that's what summer makeup needs to be. Like, you need to be glowing, you need to look sun-kissed, whether you're actually going out in the sun or not. You know, fake it till you make it. Do whatever you gotta do. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and you better stay tuned for part 2. I can't wait. I'm going to get a little bit out of my comfort zone, so please stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.